All right, everybody. So we had them goats the other day that were, double wide and everything. Well, it's happening. We got the first one kidding today. So let's go take a look.
They're super cute. I think Mom's about to have another one.
Hi, Heidi.
The boy is the one in the back, and the girl's the black one.
Well, it looks like she's trying to push a little, huh?
Look how long their ears are. I want to keep that little girl. She got blue eyes.
You want to keep them all, I know.
I know. They're so cute. We're only going to keep one.
And those are all...
Mini Nubians.
Yeah, I was going to say the mix, right?
Mm-hmm. Their dad is a Nubian. She's a Nigerian. They're so cute.
Hi, Heidi. Yeah, she still looks like she's
Her udder is massive.
stressing a little bit.
Yeah.
How them kids doing in there?
Under the heat lamp already. Heidi, what are you doing,
You like the camera, huh?
I'm this personality. I like to be famous. She's a good mama.
How old is she? She's the oldest one by far, isn't she?
Heidi is like 8 or 9.
How old is Stank?
He's 13, almost 14.
Okay.
He's already trying to climb on his mom. Come on, man.
There he is. He's already as big as half our goats.
He's bigger than them.
And he's only 3 months old-ish.
He's 9 weeks. 9 weeks old. Come on, baby. Want me to bring one out so you can see the size difference?
No, we're good.